Good day, friends. My name is Dr. Shweta Goyal, and now my another topic in K-MAP is K-MAP with don't care condition. I will talk about don't care condition. Don't care condition is simply a condition which can use for the grouping but cannot be care as much as another variables. Now we will talk about three variable K-MAP here. So we have a three variable K-MAP like this, A and B, C, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now these are the condition. Now this is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have a question that these are the condition and this is D. D means don't care. These are the number for don't care condition. So how can we write the don't care condition? First we will write this 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can check if we make the grouping this and this, and if we have these condition also. So 1 don't care 1 and second don't care is 5 and another don't care is 7. So these don't care condition can use to make the groups, okay, but cannot be used as cannot be considered as a prime implicant. So we can make the group. So we can make the 4 group like this, okay, and we can make one group like this, and we can remaining this don't care condition because all the ones are considered in any group. So first if we make these groups, so we have two groups of 2 cells. And now we have two groups of 4 cells. Now our equation will be from this group there to there, A will be eliminated, only B bar and C will be there. Plus this will be A bar and this will be BC will be eliminated. So our answer is like this. Now we will do some another example of 4 variable K-MAP like this. A, B, C, D, 4 variable, it means 16 cells, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 10, 11. Now we should write all the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 12 and 13. And we have some don't care condition over there, that is 1, 11, 15 and 14. So friends, let's suppose we have one more don't care condition here. Let me consider one more don't care condition, that is 6. Okay, so we have one more don't care condition, that is 6. So friends, you can check, you can make the group by ones, and don't care condition is 2 8 groups. You can make one group by this 8 and one group by this 8. Okay, you have 2 8 groups. So you, and this don't care condition can be eliminated because we don't remaining any ones. So our priority is to consider all the ones. Don't care is as a name suggests, we don't have to care. Okay, now this from there to there only A bar, and from there to there CD will be eliminated. Now from there to there A is eliminated, only B bar, and here to here CD will be eliminated. So only the answer is this. So this don't care condition is used to eliminate, to reduce the cells or to increase the grouping size. But this will be considered only when the question is given. If we don't given any question in the don't care condition, we should not, or we do not consider this condition. Now we will talk about some another example like 4 variable. So you will make your confusion clear like this. 14 A B C D 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Now we should consider the number here. So number are 1 2 2 4 6 8 10 12 13. These are our essential implicants. Now 3 don't care, 7 don't care and 15 don't care. Okay, we should consider one another 5. Let's suppose 5 is also there. So 5 is also a don't care condition. So we should make our grouping like 1 2 3 4. This can make the grouping. So and 1 2 3. This can be make the group. If there is one also don't care condition, we can make the group of these 8. But there is no condition, so we cannot make the group. So this can make the group because 8, we will consider 8 rather than 4. Now this one can make the group this corners. Okay. Now this one is remaining, so we can make the group like this because there is the don't care condition. Okay. Or we can make like this also. You can make like this and this. But it will consider 3 don't care condition. So we will consider this group. Okay. We can make this group. Now how can we write the equation? So from here to here only A bar is there, and here to here CD bar will be eliminated. Now from there to there A will be B, and from here to here C bar will be there, plus this will be here to here C will be eliminated, only D bar is there, and here to here you can check only B bar is there, plus I think all the group are considered 1 2 9. This 4 will be remaining, or you can leave this group also because all the 1 are considered like this one and this one. You can remove this group also. Okay, so this is our final answer. So these are the problem of don't care condition. You should check. This is for POS form and this is for SOP form. Please consider these form also. You should make these 2 problems and send me. If there is any confusion and any mistake, I will get back to you. Thank you. Good day. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.